I was having this rebellious moment, this feeling of being sick of the digital world, how intrusive it is, how pesky it is, how invasive it is, and I went to my typewriter and wrote down a manifesto. We assert our right to resist the paradigm, to rebel against the information regime, to escape the data stream. We strike a blow for self-reliance, privacy, and coherence, against dependency, surveillance, and disintegration. We affirm the written word and written thought against multimedia, multitasking, and the meme. We choose the real over representation, the physical over the digital, the durable over the unsustainable, the self-sufficient over the efficient. After I wrote it, I put it through the scanner and shared it online. Then I put a little note on my blog saying, "Psst, visit this website," where you could find it, and people did. They started copying it, retyping it, sharing it. Here's somebody who translated it into Italian. Here's a translation into Serbian. Then in a few weeks, I started getting postcards, letters in my mailbox from the insurgency around the world.